going to talk about doing the emergency stop now. So on the emergency stop, we've got a couple of cones here and we've got 4 cones here. On the 4 cones here, this is where the speed trap will be. And the speed trap measures your speed from this distance here to this distance there. So it doesn't matter what you do before, it doesn't matter what you do after, it's just measuring that distance there. For that distance, it measures it at 50 kilometers per hour. 50 kilometers per hour. To put that into our terms, that's 32 miles per hour or more. If you're looking at your individual speedometer, you want to be reading more than 32 miles an hour because there's always a discrepancy in speedometers. So if you're looking down, which you shouldn't be doing anyway, you want to be doing a minimum really of about 35 miles an hour to make sure you've got that discrepancy and that correct measurement of 50 kilometers an hour or more through there. So 32 miles an hour or more. So it doesn't matter if you do more, but it does matter if you do less. If you do 49 or 48 kilometers per hour through the speed trap, then you will actually just receive a minor, but they will pass you for that exercise, okay? If you do 47 kilometers an hour or less on your first attempt and you've done everything right, where you've done the correct emergency stop procedure, you haven't knocked over a cone, then they will say to you, would you like another go? And you can have a second go and they will tell you what speed you did. So for this one, we're going to go round the corner, and on the test you go round the corner between 16 and 19 miles an hour in second gear on our 650s or 700cc engines. Second gear, you're going to go round the corner 16 to 19 miles an hour. As you come out the corner, you're going to continue in second gear, and then you're going to increase the speed and keep on the gas until you hit this bit here. When you go about 2 yards or 2 meters past this point, the examiner will put up his hand for you to then conduct the emergency stop. So when you do that, you want to come off the gas, front brake first, back brake with it, and then bring the clutch in just before you stop. So that's what the procedure is. You're going to go round the corner, second gear, 16 to 19 miles an hour. You're then going to get on the gas, continue it in second gear. As soon as you go through those cones, you go 2 yards or 2 meters past it, and the examiner will put his hand up or her hand up for you to do the emergency stop. So off the gas, front brake, back brake, clutch in, and you come to a stop as soon as practically possible. Obviously, it helps to have ABS on your bikes. That helps a great deal, because if you skid to a stop, you'll fail your test. And also, the last thing you want to do is lock up the front wheel, because you might then lose the front wheel. But if you've got ABS bike, the ABS may kick in, and that's acceptable on the test. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a demonstration of how that works. Okay, so when we go round the corner, we should be doing 16 to 19 miles an hour in second gear. We go round the corner, then after the corner, you're going to then increase the speed. On the gas, increase the speed, then off the gas, front brake, back brake, and clutch it, and stop as quickly, practically as possible. Put it into first gear, check mirror and sides, and then pull away.